Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform designed to help businesses and entrepreneurs create and manage their online presence. It offers a wide range of tools and services that cover various aspects of digital marketing, including website design, sales funnels, email marketing, booking and appointments, and more. The link of Builderall is in the description of this video. Website design. Builderall provides a drag-and-drop website builder that allows users to create professional and responsive websites without needing any coding skills. It offers numerous templates and customization options, enabling users to tailor their sites to their specific needs and preferences. The platform also supports e-commerce functionality, allowing businesses to set up online stores easily. Funnels. Builderall includes a funnel builder that helps users create effective sales funnels to convert visitors into customers. This feature is designed to guide potential customers through the buying process, from awareness to decision-making. It offers templates for various types of funnels, including lead capture, sales, and webinar funnels, making it easier to implement a successful funnel strategy. Email marketing. The platform's email marketing tool allows users to create and manage email campaigns. It includes features like autoresponders, email automation, and segmentation to help businesses deliver targeted and personalized messages to their audience. Builderall's email marketing tool integrates seamlessly with its other features, providing a cohesive digital marketing experience. Booking and appointments. Builderall offers a booking and appointments tool that businesses can use to manage their schedules and allow clients to book services online. This feature is particularly useful for service-based businesses such as salons, consultants, and medical practices. It helps streamline the booking process and reduces the administrative burden of managing appointments manually.
Conclusion: Builderall is a powerful and versatile digital marketing platform that can significantly benefit businesses looking to establish and grow their online presence. Its comprehensive set of tools, affordability, and user-friendly design make it an attractive option for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. By joining Builderall, users can streamline their digital marketing efforts, improve efficiency. Go to Builderall website today, link in video description. Thank you for watching our video. Have a wonderful day.